President Emmerson Mnangagwa's grip on power appears to be slipping amid growing calls for his impeachment, following revelations suggesting he may be suffering from vascular dementia. Sanabda mashukobda pana pachinza aiwa, iti Mnangagwa Ouster now gathers momentum. Remember, subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamobda nyongwa mchinzi. If this condition is confirmed, the Constitution allows Mnangagwa to be impeached for his fitness to govern. War veteran and former ZANU Central Committee member Blessed Geza alleges that Mnangagwa's deteriorating mental health has rendered him unfit for office. According to Geza, a clique of looters within Mnangagwa's inner circle is exploiting his condition, allegedly manipulating him to sign documents and approve controversial decisions without full awareness of their implications. He claims frequent and unusual visits to the president's official residence by senior officials have raised suspicions that the ailing leader is being used as a rubber band by powerful interests. Geza further revealed that a group of lawmakers has begun informal discussions on launching impeachment proceedings against Mnangagwa, citing incapacity and dereliction of duty. If successful, this would be the first time in Zimbabwe's history that a sitting president is removed on medical grounds. The youth revelations come at a time of renewed tensions within the ruling party ZANU-PF, as long-simmering power struggles between Mnangagwa and his deputy, VP Chiwenga, resurface. The two men have shared an uneasy alliance since the 2017 military coup that toppled long-lasting leader RG Mugabe. Domashika muda panapa chonekwa kunzi aiwa panapa mashoko ekuti mutungamiri wenyika aiwa ave removed. Panguva ino tiona kuti pari kuuya pachitagwa ma-allegations ekunzi aiwa the Zimbabwean leader panguva ino ari kusuffer vascular dementia. Iri kuona kuti aiwa there are some people who are taking advantage of it. Panapa vakamirira kuti zvive official zvinge zvichizivikanwa kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa is really suffering from this illness. Aiwa anytime he can be impeached. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu. So mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, chito the bell icon.